back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Redbox Entertainment, and today the stock is down 12.07%. Today is not a very good day on Wall Street. S&P 500 is up just 0.23%. The Dow 30 is up 0.62%. Nasdaq barely breaking even at plus 0.14%, and the Russell 2000 is down 1.54%. So today Redbox Entertainment is down 11.94% and is trading at $6.51. Yesterday the stock closed at $7.37 and opened today a bit lower at $7. However, in the course of the day, the stock has dropped and is now trading at $6.51. The 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment Inc. is from $1.61 all the way up to $27.22. Today's volume is 2 million shares have exchanged hands, and we have about 2 hours to the close of market. Average volume is 21,700,000 shares on a good day. The market capitalization for Redbox Entertainment is right now at $294 million. And again, if you guys remember, Redbox Entertainment is going to be acquired. I don't know where that deal was going to be acquired by a company called Chicken Soup for the Soul, and that would have made a giant entertainment company. But for the time being, Redbox Entertainment still operates. It's got its kiosks where you can rent out DVDs, CDs, and Blu-ray discs, and those have still proven to be popular, and it's a viable business model that they've been pursuing since their inception. So we are just watching closely, but the stock market as a whole is taking a beating, and people have been seeing their 401ks and their investment accounts dwindle in size. When are things going to turn around? That is hard to predict, that is hard to tell. So we will just keep monitoring and hoping that things turn out for the better, because I mean, this can only go on for so long before people start giving up and quitting their jobs, and it's a tough time to be alive. But also you have to look at the flip side. Whenever you have the market fluctuating this much, there are always opportunities that present themselves. Be it that you're the owner of a company, now you can buy out a competitor if you were making smart financial decisions and you're cash heavy. Also, you have some hawks who actually short some of these companies. Let's take a look here at the 5-day graph for Redbox Entertainment, and you guys can see somebody who shorted the company 5 days ago would have been about $2 in the money per share. Let's say a month ago, probably not so much, because a month ago the stock was trading right at about $7.14. 6 months ago, not so much, and 1 year ago, well, I think the stock actually peaked around November 2021. So yeah, you have all kinds of strategies that people can employ, but the best strategy is to have that money in your account. That way you are not exposed to the vicissitudes of the stock market. When you have money under your pillow, under your mattress, in your bank savings account, then you know that the money is safe, and you can take advantage of opportunities as they present themselves, such as Redbox today, which is down 12.48%. So anybody buying in today is actually buying at a very steep discount compared to somebody who held the stock just 24 hours ago. That is what I had to share with you guys. Thanks for staying on this long, and if you haven't yet done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. That is the single way that you can help us out, and it's the most important way in which you can help this channel grow. Over the past 48 hours, we haven't seen any subscribers, so we would like to have a few more and to get things going so that we hit a 1,000 subscriber target by the midterm elections that take place in November. Thank you.